Okay, so I'm going to go over inserting images, PDFs, and other forms of documents. Actually, let's bring up the right site. Okay, so let's go in and look at the media library. Every file that you add to a post or a page ends up in the media library. As you can see, a lot of these images are attached to certain pages. If I edit this, I can probably find all of the images for these in these posts or in these pages. And so let's explore how to add images and documents to pages and posts. The way you add images and other forms of documents is the same for pages and posts. So I'm going to go over how to just add them to a page. It essentially works the same way for a post. These are the icons you want to use to add files. Whichever one you click actually doesn't matter. The video one, though, is going to give you some more options, and so is the audio. But clicking any of those, it doesn't matter. I can click image, and I can go ahead and I can select a Word document if I wanted to. I could go ahead and add a Word document, and it's fine. I can go ahead and click this icon, and I can upload an image, and it works just fine. I add a picture of myself there. When you add, let's say we're going to add an image. As you can see, the gallery here shows that there are two items that are already attached to this page. And as you can see, it's the Word document and the picture that I've added. If I go to the media library, the image is here. And actually, let's look. I've clicked images. Let's look at all types. The image and the Word document are here. That's the same action as viewing the media library like this. As you can see, the Word document is here and the image is here. From this page, I can add those images in if I wish. If I click on my picture here, I can either align it to the right, and I can insert the full size, a medium size, or a thumbnail size. I usually insert a medium size if the image exceeds about 600 pixels, but it doesn't here, so I'm going to insert the full size. I go ahead and click insert into post, and let's go ahead and preview and see what it does. It says a pop-up was blocked. Let's allow it, preview. Let's go ahead and hit preview. As you can see, the image is there. When I click on the image, it's going to load up the image. If you notice here, this is a long title, and this is pulled in from two different places. If I want to change it for this image only, I can go ahead and click on the image and click edit image and change this to what I want. And I can go ahead and update that. And when I click on it, the title will show what I wanted. But this does not change the original image. If we go find my picture here, as you can see, the title has not changed. Let's change it to what we want here. And make sure and click save all changes here. As you can see, the title has changed, and we can go ahead and insert this into the post too. There should be two images. Let's preview. And when I click it, it changes to what it was originally. We can also change the orientation by clicking the edit image button and align it to the left if we want. We can also resize it by clicking the edit image and scaling it down a little bit and hit update, and the image gets smaller. If I want to insert that Word document, I can select one of the icons, go to the gallery, and go ahead and insert this document. It's going to insert it based on this is the title. Let's go ahead and save all that and insert it into the post. As you can see, it inserts it there. And if we preview it, I can go ahead and click on it and it'll download the Word document just like before. This works essentially the same for posts also. If we look at the media library here, you can see these documents are here. We can choose to delete documents from here if we wish. And whenever you go here, this link won't work anymore. When you go to the gallery, that Word document has been detached. We can also delete it here if we want. Delete, continue. And we refresh the media library, and my picture should be gone. Another way we can add content is we don't have to add content through posts or pages if we don't want. We can go ahead and just directly from the media library, we can click add new from the menu or add new up here, and we can upload any file that we wish up to it. Let's insert this image. Now let's say we'll of course put an appropriate title and save it. Now let's say we want to insert this image into a new page. So we'll go ahead and go add new. We'll add an image, and as you can see, the gallery tab is not here. That's because that image was not attached to any particular page or post, and it will not be in the future. We can go ahead though and go to the media library, and we can find the image that we just uploaded, and we can insert it into the post. And we'll insert it. Let's resize it. That's a little big. Let's actually put it in the center. Let's resize it down just a little bit. There you go. That looks good. Let's get to the other side of it. We can also insert anything else from the media library as well. We can go to media library. Okay, so since I inserted the image to this post, it actually associated that image with this particular page. If I go to the media library, I can insert any of the other images from any other post or page also. Just hit insert into post and it will insert it. Whenever we preview it, of course clicking on it, it's going to bring up the biggest version that it has with the title that we gave it. Go ahead and delete this. So let's go ahead and delete this image that we put up just to clean it up since we won't be using it. Let's go ahead and delete this draft. This page should not work. There we go. And that's sort of an overview of the media library, how to add images and other documents.